Is it? Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today, April 26, 2022. So let's just make it quick as much as possible, less than 30 minutes or so. Yeah, because I'm also watching the market at the moment. So let me share my trades first for today. Yeah, I actually um, have enumerated in here. APE coin, let's go over it. ApeCoin, I actually entered at 1640 plus. 1640, I think 44. Yeah, just around that level because I use four different sub accounts and my different TPs have already been hit. Three different sub accounts have already been hit at 18.40, 18.5, 19, and I'm currently waiting for the one that's still currently open, which is uh, with a target price of 20, which is that is more or less the 1.786. Though currently it's actually it might possibly pull back a bit. So anyway, I forgot to change my market trailing stop, my order to market trading stop, so that if ever, anyway, um, yeah, I think it might pull back a bit before it retests at that current or the all-time high that it reached. Oh, it's not the all-time high. This is just the high versus based on this exchange. Because if you look at the coin market cap, yeah, I think I checked on it yesterday. I think it's about $39. It's the all-time high of ApeCoin. Let me just let's just go over it. So anyway, right there. So where's that high? Yeah, there is it, 39.4, which is a month ago. So yeah, it's like a doji actually. So I think it might pull back a bit. Yeah, I already have that last one position open. Di man lang niya ako pinatipi sa 20. Ang kulit lang eh. Anyway. I think it's been a good gain already. So yeah. If ever I got stop out, then yeah, it's still at a gain. Next, yeah, the last TP or the last long position I have is waiting at $20 target price. The three other positions have been closed. 1840, 1850, and 19. So anyway, and then what else? Yeah, I got stopped out at Zelle at 10 cents. Yeah, it's at a loss, so it's not all good news for me. But yeah, sale I just use one sub account here, and then looks I also got stopped out in looks. I think 1.52 or 1.55 something. Because I entered at 165. Yeah, see, I already got stopped out here. Anyways, I just use one sub account here, and KNC. Yeah, I just it just closed just a few minutes ago. KNC, where is that? Yeah, yeah. See, it's a breakout also. Yeah, but my TP here is 5 point something, 5.28 I think, and I entered at around this area, 4.80. This one, around here. Yeah, it's a good breakout. Anyways, yeah, I should have had you. Yeah, cause your TPs, even the TPs have a risk, no? Just using a simple limit TP or market trailing stop, no? So it depends on what fits you. So here, yeah, I just use the limit TP that already been hit at 5.28. So anyway, I think that's almost I think close to 200 ROE anyway. So I just use one sub account in that. And then the rest, I still have, yeah, open the APE, which is still waiting at $20. Or I got stop out at whatever stop loss I have, 10 cents from my entry price. Grabe naman, ang malas ko naman kapag ano, no. Yeah, I would be very unlucky if my ape coin will be got stop out at 10 cents from 16.45 or 16 point, what's that? Plus 10 cents. So, more or less 16.65. So, grabe naman. Kamalas ko naman kapag may stop out pa ako dun. So, yeah, maybe later I'll change it to market trading stop. So, from here, ilang cents na lang naman na eh. So, hopefully it will just tip it at $20 or could move higher than even 20, no? Higher than 20. Ang kulit lang eh. And then, what else? Yeah, GMT. Yeah, I'm actually looking at GMT because I think after ApeCoin, GMT might be the next possible market mover. Yeah, in my opinion. Wait, let's just remove it. And maybe let's check on the daily. Yeah, I'm actually looking at the 30 minutes because I'll just checking that ApeCoin a while ago. So I think this one will be the next market mover. Where did I get here? I think 3.05. And yeah, I actually have six different sub accounts here, but yeah, I entered just past $3. So ganun na lang eh. At different prices, and I think the tip is 3.85 and $4. I don't know the rest, but yeah, I use six different sub accounts that I've just checked a while ago. Yung kung ilang yung alang ang kulit lang eh. So I think as long as it holds at 3.21 or 3.20, yeah, most likely the possibility of retesting that 3.85 all-time high, if I'm not mistaken, um, is is most likely or more probable. Wait, what's that? GMT, no? Yeah, so far, oh, it's not there. Yeah, so far since I got back to trading last month, yeah, I think ApeCoin and GMT is actually the biggest gains that I have in terms of fiat. In terms of ROE, I think it's ZIL because it's 101 times leverage. But when it comes to fiat gains, I think it's not that much. And I just trade ZIL using one sub accounts and I think it's not that much trades that I have. So yeah, that's 385 all-time high. So yeah, let's just wait and see how this GMT goes. Hmm. Medyo mas madami akong sub account. Yeah, I use many sub accounts here because I think medyo kasi ano, it's low price. So the probability of it, 'di ba? Pag mas malit kasi yung price, mas malaki yung chances na mas malaki yung possible gain. Like for example, si Apecoin, if you open one what's that? One contract at the 16.40 or 18, or let's just say example 16.40. So you already have from that one one contract, you already have gained more or less more than 16.40 less 19.25, so more or less $2.85, no? Which is, yeah, for me personally, as long as I gain 20 pesos per day, yeah, okay na ako dun. 20 pesos per day, ang kulit ko lang eh. Yeah, though I use different sub account, yeah, that's for me more than good enough if I gain more than 20 pesos. Grabe naman kung sa isang sub account. Sa different six sub accounts, no? Tapos 20 pesos lang. But anyway, ang kulit lang eh. Yeah, ganun lang kasi ako. So, yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm waiting actually at 3.85 and possibly there's that. Why I can't. I'm looking at $4 is my next TP here. 3.85 and $4. But anyway, it could even be more. I'll just trade it once, or I just scalp it once it hit the all-time high, or maybe I can set an alert on it. Currently, I have a set alert? Just the 8 coin. Anyway, let's remove it so that in case that it alert, it will not what's this? It will not be not noisy for us. So yeah, I think I'll just wait for it. Actually, let's check on it. Ah, there's possible pullback that might be coming for today. For today, I'm just checking it. Ah, there you go. There's actually a doji over here, which is what's the low of this? 310. So 310 from here. If you just I did not choose that. It's because it might not be that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'll just wait for a breakout here. No, I can actually set an alert on this later. It's it might be similar to ApeCoin, right? If you use the 1 hour, yeah, previously, no. So anyway, let's see. Oh, GMT. Let's see how this GMT trades today and over the next few days. So the support I'm currently looking at is the 321, which is around that period volume, and the resistance I'm really looking at is, of course, the immediate resistance is here. You can actually set an alert on that, depending on where this candle might possibly retest this resistance. But yeah, for me, it could easily, it could possibly, what's this, break this, and let's try to check on it. What's the target from here, if ever? Oh, kasi nakaset na ako sa 385 and the $4. Possibly that's where I get my $4. Yeah, because I'm waiting at 385 and $4. So I'm waiting for a break out. I think I adjust my yeah, I think I did not adjust my stop loss yet. So anyway, what else? Yeah, I think that's just it for me. Well, BTC, I did not trade it. I did not trade it. Ang kulit ko lang yun. Sorry. BTC, where's the BTC? Maybe BTC updates. What time is it? It's already 14 minutes. I already consumed that to just my own personal trades. So how do you use the divergence indicator? Okay, the divergence indicator. This one. Where is that? So maybe let's just use this ape coin. No. Did I? Yeah, I log out. I thought I did not log out. Ang kalit ka lang eh. I'm actually looking at ape coin a while ago. So let's just use the divergence indicator. The default for it, the default for this divergence indicator is actually overbought at 70 or oversold at 20. I mean 30, the default. But you can actually change it because based on my experience, sometimes I see really a good asset that's really currently trending that could possibly hit even more than 90. That's why I changed the overbought level to 90. But yeah, you can choose the default, which is 70, whichever might fit you. And then the oversold, which is the buying area for me, is the 20. But the default here is actually 30. So there. And you can set that. And then you can see the regular bearish here and the hidden bearish. You can actually also use that as an indicator also. So normally, for me, if there is, of course, there's a bullish divergence, then I'll go long. If there's a bearish divergence, I'll go short. So there's already a bear and bull here on the divergence indicator itself. Also, you can also check on this one, the regular bearish on this right side and the hidden bearish. Once it's greater or it's already above it, might possibly retrace or possibly it's time to sell or go short. Like for this one, it's actually pulling back because it's already above the regular and the hidden bearish, which is at 67.71. And yeah, this is the previous resistance also. So anyway, I'll just set an alert on it. Because I think after this pullback, it might break that out. Because the highest one is, I think this one, close to 86 or 80, what's this? Guys, it's 85 or what? 85.86. So anyway, let's see. Hmm. So might possibly I might be looking at yeah, actually I don't have plans to what's this? To re-enter this one. I'll just wait for my last long position at $20 or I'll just change my stop loss. Ang kulit ko lang eh. I'm looking at 18.42 possible support area, the immediate one. And then just this one after. Breakdown to that, possibly around this area, which is 17, 17.26. And yeah, the strong one at the previous, what's this? The entry point ko. My previous entry point, which is 16.43, which is the point of control. That's the strong support I'm looking at. So medyo malayo, no? Pero tingin ko naman, grabe naman to pag in-stop out pa niya ako dyan. Ang walas ko lang naman. Pero it's still at a gain if ever, no? So, yun. Yun siya, ganun siya gamitin, no? But sometimes, if you can already spot it, like for example, this one. Yeah, I think I spotted it before this hidden bull is has shown, no? So, yeah. So, ganun lang. Normal, yeah, actually, divergence indicator is my favorite before. Last year, that's my favorite indicator. And then for this year, actually, my favorite is the volume profiles now. Anyways, so done. So what's there to look at in the market? Oh yeah, what's that? Dodge coin. What's this? I didn't write it. Where is that? Oh, there's nothing in my perpetual because I'm currently trading it. So anyway, let's go over it and let's look at the daily. Did I did not actually enter it. Did I got sub out? No. If ever, no? But I don't have any positions on it. It's just that I think someone have asked it before, no? And that's our that's our take. That's our take previously. So I think it still remains, no? Because there's still hidden bullish divergence over around this area. So I think the strong support area I'm still looking at is the 10 cents. So with that, maybe let's just remove it a bit. 'di ba? Yun pa rin naman eh. And that's also where the point of control or the periodic control is. Oh, sorry. Close periodic and the weekly, no? Monthly and weekly periodic volume nandun siya. So, I think that's already a good support area. So, from here, where did I possibly be looking at? Previously, if you are trading it on a very short talaga eh. Yeah, of course, the immediate resistance I'm looking at is the 17.46, which is around this area with because it actually resists previously on that. If it break that level, I'll be looking at around this area, which is the 20 cents. So I think that's just small. But eventually, the last one is at here, at least 54 cents. No? But for now, I think let's just focus on it on a short term. But if you plan to hold it on a long term, then possibly um, the resistance I'm looking at is at least the strong ones where the point of control is just there. So might possibly this one. I'll use that 53 cents to all time high. I think that's just it for doggy coin. So it depends on how you plan to trade it. Currently, I'm not even looking at it. I didn't try it, but yeah, if ever I should have had it, still at a gain if ever I entered previously when someone have asked for it. Because if I trade it on a very short or swing trade or scalp trade using the um, 1 hour time frame. Wait, let's try to look at it. Might not. Yeah, I might possibly just wait a bit for a pullback. Yeah, because from here to here, yeah, the developing point of control is 15 cents. So possibly I should have gone short. Wait, let's try to. Yeah, it's long. If I'm really watching it, of course. But at the moment, we'll still. Hmm. I guess this one is. Huh? Yeah, might not. Yeah, I might not just trade it. I'll just possibly just watch it in 1 hour time frame. So yun lang. I'll just wait for a bit because I think it might possibly pull back to retest the 14 cents. 14 cents ang tinitignan ko. Then, yeah, maybe I'll think over it if it hits that area. So for now, it's a no trade zone for me. Yeah, not unless you're a long term, no? Or it depends on what time frame you're currently using, no? Because for me, right now, it's uh, it's not, it's not, ang kulit lang. Oh, yeah, pulling back, correction. Yeah, kasi nga, di ba? It's actually even a doji, no? Doji and then already at resistance. So, wait natin siya at 18.42. Kapag nag-hold siya dyan, then I might possibly might relong a bit. Relong, the one that I have closed already. So, I might possibly use it. Or I just watch it. I just watch it. Yeah, kasi really my plan is just to wait for my entry price. My last TP price at 20 and then I just might possibly just scalp it in 15 minutes time frame. Ang kulit lang. Pag talagang nagbabantay ako. So I think that's just it. What else? Yeah, maybe BTC. I'm not trading much, but yeah, I think it's still the same. Still clinging or currently clinging at support ba to or even clinging near support and resistance. So it's a neutral, neutral. Diba dati bearish yun? So ngayon, clinging. So, neutral, no trade zone pa ako. Maybe I'll just wait for it to move a bit higher. At least maybe 41 para at least sakto din sa or more than the support area. But yeah, I possibly want a good volume from here. Developing point of control is actually 40,592 and it's currently below it. So I don't know if so if it will not break this current developing point of control. Yeah, I'm still at the bearish side. But if it does break at least 40,600 or 40,700, then I might possibly relong, relong if I'm watching it. But for now, um, currently I'm still bearish on it. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, even it's already almost, it's almost at its resistance. So it might pull back a bit. Which maybe let's use the horizontal ray here, right? Previously, so it might possibly pull back a bit. So I'll wait here, the support area. If ever I'm watching this one, but currently I don't watch BTC. Yeah, I traded before. I think two times. One time I got stopped out at $100 from entry price, and the last one is I got stopped out at a loss, a negative 500 plus ROE, if I'm not mistaken. So far with that, net 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 of that, net of the two trades is actually at a loss. Kasi nga negative 500 plus kasi yung isa. So much appreciated. Okay. So ano pa ba? Wala na akong titignan eh. What's time is it? It's already 27 and what we have discussed is I think just 8 KN GMT. KNC I did not look much on it. And just BTC I think, no? Nothing much. And what else? Wala na ata, no? Wala na kasi akong maisip pa eh. Ang kulit lang yun. Yeah, because normally you can see me trading, si Dogecoin pa at the Dogecoin. Because normally you can see me trading at least within this area lang. Yeah, I don't normally trade below it. Because as much as possible, I want the active ones with volume, di ba? Previously, ApeCoin is actually top 3 and now it's top 4. So I'm watching it actually GMT. I think it might possibly move to top 4 or top 3. Yeah, if you are watching it previously. So anyway, let's just see how it goes. So that at least you know how I trade. Because yeah, I don't trade the ones without volume. Because I think it's costly. And it might bore me. Kasi especially if it's not moving. So anyway, that's it. If you don't have any more questions, then I might possibly end the stream. It's already 9:16 a.m. Philippine time. So para makapag-watch na din tayo ng market. Oh, mag-open na pala yung PSC, no? Currently, I'm not trading the PSC. Though I still have it. I still have some positions on it. Yeah, ang pangit kasi neto, Doji. Kapag hindi siya umakyat dito sa 19.28, retest to 1842, most likely. Tsaka yun, no? Nag-ano na siya eh. So anyway, antayin ko na lang siya muna a bit. Kasi naka-entry naman ako dito sa mababa eh. So, yun lang. Malas ko lang kapag, 'di ba? Grabe naman pag talagang tumuloy-tuloy siya at na-stop out ako sa 10 cents from my entry price. Siguro bago mangyari yun, i-ano ko na lang dito. I-market trailing stop ko na lang siya. Anyways. Oh, maybe let's look at near. I think making some movement. O, diba? Pag nilong ko to, na short, na ano na ako, nalugi na ako. Haven't traded. Yeah, I traded before, no? when it hit 1979, naalala ko eh. It's continuously, oh, just check on it. At least nag-ano na siya, oh. Nag-hold siya at least sa 1412. And then nag-breakdown pa siya even dun. Wait, wait. Let's remove it a bit. And medyo madami lang kasi ano eh. Yan. Oh, what's the last one? Well, it's just this one. The daily time frame. Hmm. Ayun. Oy. Actually, even close to this one. The doji. O, diba? It holds. See the power of doji. Normally, you can just see me just the simple doji and engulfing. Yun lang normal yung tinitignan ko when I do trade. Kaya just as much as possible, just make it simple. Ganun lang naman ako. Ganun lang. Ang kulit ko lang. Kapag walang ano, pag normal trades lang without the volume profile. So from here to there, wow. Possibly I might go long on this. Let's check a bit. I'm gonna use that. Yeah, possibly. I might look at it. So that's the conservative target I'm looking at. Of course, entry at this point, 1489. TP at 17 point. What's this? 17.83. Why I did not choose it? Yeah, because I think this is the most conservative target I'm looking at. Kasi baka magano dito eh. Because it might possibly resist within these levels. But if it goes high, it's just okay, di ba? At least TP is still TP. Or gain is still gain. So the stop loss around $14.15. So I think that's it for what's this? For near. If it break at this level, possibly retest to all-time high, which is I think 20.63. Oh, just wait a bit. Yeah, sorry about that. So I think that's just it. So yeah, I might possibly watch near today. So if it break that 17.83, then retest to all-time high is most likely. Because this is just actually also a doji, no? Yeah, if you try to look at it. Yeah, I actually got tipped close to here, no? Because I use the market trailing stop. Negative, what's that? I forgot. I think negative 1.32 from here. So I got stop out at 19.79, no? Less 1.32. 18.47 if I'm not mistaken, if I remember it correctly. So anyway, that's it. It's already, I think, past 30 minutes. So I will end this stream. So since we don't have any more questions, then yeah, I'll just better end this one. So I think that's it. Uh, Thanks much for tuning in. See you again next time. And enjoy trading.